new Amazon Echo continues Amazon's crusade at making voice the future of the operating system, bolstering Alexa's skill set and wrapping all of this up in a much nicer chassis, an interchangeable one at that. The new look Echo is smaller and wider than its predecessor, which means it's a lot more steadier on its feet. While we always felt that an accidental nudge would topple the original Echo over, the new Echo's sturdier footprint means that it isn't going anywhere. Its look does mean that it's less sci-fi and more in keeping with the current crop of smart speakers, in particular Google Home and Apple's not yet released HomePod. The all-new Amazon Echo's exact measurement are 148 by 88 by 88 millimeters. Compare this to the original's 235 by 84 by 84 millimeters and it's plain to see the height loss and waist gain. Weight-wise it's a solid 821 grams. There are 3 fabric options: charcoal, heather, and sandstone. There are also 3 finish offerings: oak, walnut, and silver. Their names, apart from the last, may conjure up wood, but it's worth noting that the shells are made from plastic and are £10/$10 more expensive than the fabric versions. Amazon has kept it simple when it comes to outputs. There is just room for the power port and 3.5mm audio output on the back, which was previously only featured on the smaller Echo Dot. The Amazon Echo, second generation, is a breeze to set up, but it does mean that you have to venture into the Amazon Alexa app. Amazon has made some improvement with its Alexa app, but it's just not slick enough for our liking. We had no problems at all installing, which meant that we saw the green ring light in a minute or so and were ready to start asking Alexa to do things. Sound quality on the Amazon Echo, second generation, was crisp. Every time Alexa spoke it was very clear as to what she's saying, and the Echo's 7 mic array meant that it always picked up when we said Alexa and Alex, much to the annoyance of our friend called Alex. To test out what music is like through it we chose a mixture of music. Fortet's excellent new energy hit the bass notes well, with the Echo coping to a point. That said, if you want a sound upgrade then it's best to look at the Amazon Echo Plus. The new Amazon Echo is more than passable with its sole 2.6-inch woofer and single 0.6-inch. The inclusion of Dolby processing does offer a more expansive sound, but it wasn't as warm as we would have liked. Crank it up and the sound quality also starts to break up a little. The twang of Weezer's guitars and Pacific Daydreamer picked out well, however, so it's more in the lower levels where the Echo starts to strain. Comparing it to the original Amazon Echo and the new model easily competes, which is fantastic considering the radically lower price point. Although not exclusive to this model of Amazon Echo, Alexa has been given some significant upgrades in recent times with some great new features. The ability to take calls through the Echo is a nice addition, as is the drop-in feature, essentially an intercom for your home between Echo devices. This has cut down the shouting upstairs that dinner is ready didn't know when in our home. Final verdict. The new Amazon Echo, second generation, is a refreshing update to the Amazon range and a radically reduced price. It's a better-looking speaker than the original and is packed with all the smarts you have come to expect from the Amazon, the Echo range and, most importantly, Alexa. Its arrival, though, doesn't quite have the heft or wow factor of the original Echo, and it can't quite match the likes of Sonos for sound quality. But its price point is utterly compelling. For Amazon to offer a speaker that's better looking than its predecessor with no reduction in features, at a price that's some 40% cheaper is a fantastic achievement.